We're shooting for a magazine cover right now, which we can't disclose right now. But yeah, this is the shoot for, so we're enjoying having fun, doing a lot of different looks. So yeah, it's good. It's fun, a lot of fun shooting with love.
You were part of the glamour industry for quite a long time. So what was the first photo shoot you have done for? And do you remember it and how was the experience?
I was, I think, 3 years old when I did my first photo shoot. I still have those pictures. And I don't even remember that moment, to be honest. But when I look at the picture, yeah, I do. So that was my first photo shoot.
And how does it feel when an actor or actress features on the cover page of a magazine and type?
See, you've always been a child and looked at those, cover magazines and cover pages and been like, yeah, I want to be there and iski tarah mujhe dikhna hai ya aisa hairstyle karna hai, aisi dresses pehni. So once you're in it, of course, you're enjoying the moment and definitely it's amazing to be a part of it.
You must have seen the photos of the many models and right. But what is people also Zoya as a personality?
I think I've been friends with her. For me, I think it's more important knowing the person. And we've done a couple of shoots. I think we shot 3 years back. फिर हमने 6 महीने पहले भी शूट किया. Every time we meet, we've been talking कि जो है हम खुद पर्सनल शूट करेंगे. लाइक एक होता ना कि हमने कोई क्लाइंट के लिए शूट किया और क्लाइंट ने बोला ये साड़ी पहननी है, ऐसा करना है, तो हमने बड़ा टिपिकल शूट किया. So I think this is the first shoot that we are doing together, which is a very very fashion oriented. I've given her a red carpet look. Like आपने अभी जो देखा ये पूरा maroon backdrop, steps. So this is something that I perceive Zoya कि मतलब जब वो ऑस्कर में जाएगी तो she'll be dressed something like that. So for me this is my Oscar look that she's wearing. Very elegant. It's not typically glamorous like any other girl. Normally क्या होता है काफ़ी एक्ट्रेसेस वो बहुत ज़्यादा ट्राई करती है सेक्सी बनने के लिए, ग्लैमरस बनने के लिए. हमने बिल्कुल स्किन शो नहीं दिखाया फ्रंट में, हल्का सा बैक शो दिखाया. एंड आई मीन इट्स जस्ट अ कंसेप्ट. सो माई होल थिंग वॉज कि इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज इम्पॉर्टेंट टू शो स्किन टू बी सेक्सी. आई थिंक अगर आपने एक्सप्रेशन देखे हो तो शी वॉज प्लेइंग विद एक्सप्रेशन. सो आई थिंक फॉर मी दिस इज ग्लैमर सेक्सी दैट्स इन दी आईज. आंखों से इसने जो वो पोर्ट्रे किया वॉज टोटली हॉट एंड सेक्सी.
Talking about movie exposing music and getting good response from recording as well. So how was it working with me?
Oh, it was a wonderful experience. I remember he was always very serious and dedicated towards his work. और मुझे उन लोगों के साथ काम करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है जो बहुत अपने बहुत डेडिकेशन के साथ काम करते हैं. डेफिनेटली उसमें काम भी अच्छा होता है, बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस होता है उन लोगों के साथ काम करके. सो डेफिनेटली ही वाज वन ऑफ दोज एंड बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी रही है दी एक्सपोजर की, क्योंकि वी डन वर्कशॉप्स टुगेदर विद एवरीवन. हिमेश, हनी, सोनाली, आनंद सर हमारे जो डायरेक्टर हैं. So we've done workshops and then shoot and then we went to Paris for song shoot. So it's all in all it was a very wonderful experience.
As you said about Honey Singh, Honey Singh is right now one of the most celebrated celebrities in India. Did you have any interaction with him during the shoot?
Yeah, we were shooting this ice cream song. I think it was fabulous because he has a rap in it and I was dancing on that song. So he was like, he's like a total riot on the set. He would make everyone laugh and everyone would just go crazy on the set. So that is about him and yeah, I enjoyed a lot working with him as well.
But Amit's last 2 movies, Rare and they didn't work out. So when you were standing the movie, were you confident that movie will work out?
I had read the script, okay, and because I had read the script, I had so much faith in it. और मैं थ्रिलर की बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ और इंडिया में इतनी थ्रिलर ज़्यादा इतनी क्या बोलते फेमस नहीं हुए हैं इतनी ज़्यादा थ्रिलर फिल्म. बट जब मैं ये स्क्रिप्ट पे आई तो आई वाज लाइक नो दिस इज़ इट, दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वुड लाइक टू वॉच एज एन ऑडियंस और मुझे मज़ा आएगा एज एन ऑडियंस देखने में. एंड दैट टाइम ओनली आई न्यू एंड और मैंने जैसा इमेजिन किया था वैसा ही टर्न आउट हुआ भी. So I think I was pretty confident about the project and I think all the people who were working, they were pretty much confident about the whole project.
Recently you've been in a beauty pageant competition in Perfect Women at San you presented. So what do you mean, a person being part of a beauty pageant? Is the step is more easy for
I would not lie to you and tell you no, it's not. But actually, the truth is, it is a stepping stone. It does teaches you a lot of things. It does help you in a lot of way to get into the industry, to know how things work. So it does help you in a way. But after that, it does not ensure you कि आपने beauty pageant कर लिया है तो इसका मतलब कि हाँ आप set हो और आपको कुछ भी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं.
Exactly. आप स्टार बन जाते हो.
ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है, but it is a stepping stone. If you use it in your benefit, it will work for you.
And do you think controversy also adds to the same factor?
Controversy, I don't know. Yeah, why do people spread controversy? And I'm a very calm and patient person. And very easy to go with. So I don't see any controversy around me, but I don't know, people kind of build it up and I don't know where it comes from, but till then it's making people happy. I'm also fine with it.
And right now you're working in
Right now I am reading scripts and all, but the moment I do something I will let you all know first.
Thank you.